Peter Obi is a Nigerian politician, businessman, and philanthropist known for his achievements in good governance and economic reforms during his tenure as the Governor of Anambra State in Nigeria. He was born on July 19, 1961 in Onitsha, Anambra State, Nigeria. Obi attended Christ the King College in Onitsha and later obtained a bachelor's degree in philosophy from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka. He also holds a master's in business administration from the University of Lagos. Obi began his journey in business, working in various fields such as banking, finance, and real estate. He later became the chairman of Next International Nigeria Limited, a conglomerate with interests in hospitality, real estate, and oil and gas. In 2003, Obi ventured into politics and was elected as the Governor of Anambra State, Nigeria's fourth most populous state, in 2006. During his tenure, he implemented various economic reforms that improved the state's financial status, reduced corruption, and promoted good governance. Obi's achievements as Governor of Anambra State include the establishment of a microfinance bank, the construction of a five-star hotel and conference center, the introduction of an electronic salary payment system for civil servants, and the reduction of wasteful spending by government officials. In recognition for his achievements, Obi was awarded the national honor of Officer of the Order of the Federal Republic by the Nigerian government in 2011. After his tenure as governor, Obi has continued to play an active role in Nigerian politics, serving as the vice presidential candidate for the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in the 2019 general elections. Aside from politics, Obi is also a philanthropist known for his contributions to education and healthcare in Nigeria. He has donated generously to various educational institutions and established the Peter Obi Foundation, which supports the education of underprivileged children in Nigeria. Overall, Peter Obi's remarkable life and achievements are a testament to his dedication to good governance, economic reforms, and philanthropy in Nigeria.